Wanna kickstart 2023 with a startup but don't have enough money to invest? Well, that's okay because there are many startups that can actually execute with next to no investment. Well, hey there people, this is Ishan again, and in this video I'm going to tell you 4 such practical startup idea that can almost next to nothing to start. And I have very little gift for those who are actually looking for more than just an idea. So stay tuned till the end, but before, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to get all the latest business and marketing insight. So the first low investment startup idea is dropshipping. It is quite a low investment business model as compared to any physical product selling business. You only require to set up an online store, which you can do by joining an e-commerce platform like Shopify, or you can even build your own website. And the best part about dropshipping is that you don't have to develop or maintain any product of your own. No, you need to have stored any inventory. So you can save all those warehousing and the packaging expenses. However, you still have to handle your marketing and the customer service. But I guess it's still a comparatively less costly to start as a newbie. Now, what's the next low-cost startup idea I have for you? And that is become a VA. What is VA, you may ask? VA means virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can offer your services to distant clients while working from the comfort of your home. And it doesn't take much time to start a VA agency. You might need a premium version of some apps and a solid internet connection so that you can actually work virtually with ease. And the plus side of working as a VA is that you can literally offer any service. I mean, if you think you can offer any specialized service like writing content or website designing, or you can do some small tasks for busy entrepreneurs like managing calendar, handling calls, and emails or fixing meetings. So yeah, it's quite a low investment venture to actually start with. Now, another great low investment idea that I have for you is selling solo ads. Solo ads are actually known as email ads that usually affiliate marketers use to drive highly targeted audience to their pages. To become a solo ad seller, you need only 3 essential things: an internet connection, a laptop, and an email list. You can operate this business from anywhere in the world with no office or employees needed. So yes, it almost takes nothing to start a solo ad agency. You can easily earn 3,000 to 5,000 minimum per month with the right skill. However, building an email list does take time, but you can even get started without a list. To know how, click the link in the description. This is a link of my $97 worth of training that I recently recorded along with my partner Shelly, who is also an experienced solo ad seller. So as I said in the beginning of this video that I have something special for ones who want more than just a startup idea. So here it is. This code is meant for people like you because coming from a middle class Indian family, I myself understand that not everybody can afford to invest $1 million in a business venture just to test it. So I made this training program that offer a complete practical knowledge of how you can actually make $3,000 to $5,000 selling solo ad, and I avail the first model of this program completely free so that you can learn how and exactly what a solo ad vendor does to make money. So you are most welcome to join my training. Just click the link below. Cheers for now. Bye bye.